This. Let's go. Capacity.
Of Rivers State. Your Excellency, Sir Celestine Omeha, the former governor, Rivers State. Your Excellency, for want of time, may I crave your indulgence to please permit me to leverage on the already well-established protocol. Your Excellency, with me are members of the health community. Dr. Diamond Tamunokoro, the chairman of Nigerian Medical Association, Madam Bridget Nwosu, the chairperson, National Association of Nigerian Nurses and Midwives. Your Excellency, we have come to welcome you to the auspicious commissioning of this magnificent building. Your Excellency, this project, which you have come to commission today, no doubt will provide the needed healthcare delivery services for Rivers people living within and around this environment. I want to reassure you with utmost pleasure and deepest commitment that we will do all that is necessary to provide the needed healthcare delivery services to Rivers people. Your Excellency, we want to thank you because you have made healthcare delivery services in Rivers State very simple and easy. Your Excellency, we want to thank you, first of all, for providing the needed security for our healthcare workers working in various rural communities and peripheral hospitals. Your Excellency, in the past, our doctors are constantly being kidnapped. But because of the security you've provided in the state, we can work in our various facilities, close our eyes and sleep very well. May God bless you, Your Excellency. Your Excellency, we also want to thank you for providing the needed manpower to man all the various facilities which you have currently embarked upon renovating and equipping. This hospital in the past had just 3 medical doctors, but today as we speak, as a result of your benevolence and the employment which you have granted us in the state, employing 2,000 healthcare personnel into the Rivers State health workforce. Your Excellency, this is unprecedented, never been heard in the history of this country. This hospital has 9 medical doctors that will speak to you. So what it means is that a doctor can come, work, go home, sleep very well, and come back the next day. Your Excellency, we thank you. We also want to thank you for all the other developmental projects which you have embarked upon in the healthcare sector. We want to thank you, Your Excellency, for raising the morale of our staff. Our staff get their promotion as at when you get their emolument as at when you. Just recently, after you promoted our staff some months ago, we have also embarked on another promotion exercise. Excellency, thank you. May God bless you. Excellency, we also want to thank you for the incentive which you have been giving to us. For me, His Excellency, I cannot wait for December to get the 13th month salary. Excellency, well, thank you. Excellency, the magnificent accommodation which you have provided for our staff cuts across all the zonal hospital and all the general hospital which you are currently embarking upon. Excellency, what this means is that healthcare workers can stay in this facility, render services, go over to their accommodation, sleep, and come back to work rather than travel long distances every day to our home. Excellency, time will not permit me to mention all that you have done for us in the healthcare sector. But what we want to reassure you in the health community is that we will support you, we will give you the needed support that you need to transform our state into a medical hub, which we know is your aspiration for this state. May God bless you, and thank you very much.
Of River State, Sir Dr. Siminalayi Fubara, Grand Service Star of River State. Your Excellency, former Governor of River State, Sir Celestine Omehia. His Majesty, King Dr. Dandison Douglas Jaja, JP, Jackie V, Treaty King, Natural Ruler, and Amayanabo of Opobo Kingdom. His Royal Majesty, King Dr. Baridam Swanu, JP, Benemene, and Kasimene of Ancient Bonga Kingdom, Chairman of Kana Traditional Rulers Council. The President General of Ohaneze Ndibo, Distinguished Senator John Azuta Mbata, distinguished senators and members of the National Assembly, Chief Samsam Jaja, former Deputy National Chairman of the People's Democratic Party, Royal Fathers, elder statesmen and women of River State, noble health professionals, gentlemen of the press, distinguished ladies and gentlemen. This zonal hospital, Bori, is a 105 capacity bed secondary healthcare facility located in Bori, right here in Kana local government area. It is housed in a 3-story building with support buildings including a laundry, mortuary, staff quarters for 24 health personnel and their households, parking for 50 vehicles surrounded by lush green lawns, creating a serene and wellness-inspiring ambience. The location of the facility created a strategic locus that will attract high patient traffic, serving as a referral center for primary and smaller secondary healthcare facilities in River Southeast Territorial District, covering Andoni, Eleme, Gokana, Kana, Opobo-Nkoro, Oyigbo, and Tai local government areas. It is especially important to note, Your Excellency, that given your attention to the health sector, health facility attendance in River Southeast alone has increased by nearly 60%, from about 589,000 patients in 2022 to nearly 1 million between 2022 and 2024. The Executive Governor of River State, His Excellency Sir Siminalayi Fubara, deemed it necessary to complete this previously abandoned project, expand on the initial scope, and clearly demonstrate the role that quality intermediary healthcare facilities and the consideration of the welfare of health professionals plays in delivery of holistic healthcare services. The project objectives were first to provide referral secondary healthcare services with high quality equipment, which has been supplied by JNCI Limited for diagnosis and patient management of surgical cases, high-risk pregnancies, trauma, critical care conditions, newborn injuries and complications, and importantly, mental health issues to residents of Ogoniland and Rivers Southeast. To further strengthen the healthcare infrastructure and network in the state, to reiterate his administration's commitment under his able leadership to the health status and well-being of the people of the state, leading to improved health indices across Nigeria. The facility currently lies on 4 floors with a ramp, escape staircase, an internal stairwell, and 2 centrally located elevators. The grounds can, as I said before, accommodate up to 50 cars, and there's lush greenery. We have reception, outpatient clinics, pharmacy, an electrocardiogram or ECG room, ultrasound room, accident and emergency with its dedicated surgical theater, radiology suites, laboratories, double suites for the surgical theaters and CSSD, an intensive care unit, 3-bedded for adults, a pediatric ward, newborn intensive care units, obstetrics and gynecology wards, delivery suites, a nursery for infants, and female general and private wards, male general and private wards, administrative offices, a library, and a conference hall. The support buildings include a kitchen and cafeteria, recreational garden sitting area, laundry, mortuary, generator house, 1-bedroom apartment block of 6 units, 2-bedroom apartment block of 6 units, self-contained apartment block of 12 units. For power generation, we have a 500 kVA transformer on the directive of His Excellency, 2 power generating sets, one 350 kVA and another 150 kVA. Solar panels and inverter batteries, 90 kVA for backup power. For project impacts, there's social impact, professional training and capacity development, health system strengthening, and of course, importantly, political impact. The people of Rivers Southeast and environs can receive accessible, quality, and affordable health care via a fully equipped, ultra-modern referral center. This will offer medical personnel the best opportunity to sharpen their clinical skills within the community and provide a site for medical students, clinical postings, and training. This strategically located secondary care intermediary center in the heart of Ogoniland will bolster holistic healthcare delivery and fortify not just the states, but the national healthcare delivery network, and improve population health outcomes such as maternal, newborn, and child survival in alignment with the current national focus. As the good people of Bori will say, Your Excellency, Oyage, thank you for the opportunity to serve. Before I leave the stage, Your Excellency, permit me. Several weeks ago on your birthday, there was a video that went viral, and it was a video that showed a dedicated artwork that was made in your person. We are here to present the artists who will personally deliver this to you. Several attempts were made on that day to procure that artwork and gift to you, but she declined. I know this because I was one of those who attempted to procure it. She said she wanted to deliver it personally to you, Your Excellency, because it is of special significance. And I believe that today is that significant moment. The circumstances you are facing will show you when she presents and when she speaks about why we are presenting this to you today, Your Excellency. With your kind permission, we will approach to do this.
The great people of Ghana and also the Southeast Senatorial District that are here to show solidarity, distinguished guests, gentlemen of the press, ladies and gentlemen. I feel very honored today, Wednesday, the 11th I think it's the 11th or 12th. Okay, the 12th of March. Maybe I didn't sleep on time because of all the trouble. So I'm still calculating that. It's a very special day today, this 12th of March. Special to me because we have also come in to demonstrate the reason why we're in governance. We're here this afternoon, unlike our normal programs that we normally hold in the morning, because we believe that the interests of the people should come first. And because of that, the decision of the Supreme Court, we felt there is every need for us to comply immediately, to save the state, to save our workers, to save our local government workers, not just the civil servants, even the economy of this state. For that reason, I made all frantic efforts to reach the Speaker, which I believe cannot deny that, and other members of the Assembly. I went further to send WhatsApp information to him and others, notifying them that I will be coming by 10 this morning to present the budget so that there won't be any reason why Rivers State will be in any fix because of me, as been alleged. But it was unfortunate when we got there this morning, we were denied access, and the next story I'm hearing is that we didn't make any communication. But I leave it to God, who sees in secret places. I did everything to make sure that that situation was sorted out today. But I still believe maybe they might be instructed later. Maybe if they are instructed, I'm still ready to come any day to get this particular issue sorted out. I had to bring this because I'm aware that there was some media, something's going around the media, that there was no communication, that I was not complying, that I was not making any effort. So I feel it's an opportunity here where everybody can hear from me and understand the situation that we're facing. Like I said, nothing lasts forever. Even the greatest power, one day, will end. What is the most important is what we do with the power. And I've chosen, even if I have the power, as they claim that I don't know how to use power, I do not intend to abuse the power. Because power, when you abuse it, is what leads to this kind of situation. I will not abuse it. I will continue to work and operate with so much restraint, because I know that there is life after power. Today is very special to us because we are fulfilling one of our commitments. We are fulfilling an aspect of our agenda, Rivers First, where we promise the Rivers people that healthcare, education, agriculture, protection of life and property of our people will be paramount or take the center stage of our governance. As you are aware, the Commissioner for Health has taken time to give everyone the details. It was a facility, if I'm very correct, I'm very sure I might, I stand to be questioned, if need be. But I believe that this project was one of the projects that was initiated during the administration of Rotimi and Mechi. Somehow, it was abandoned, and the immediate past administration also came in to do some work. Somehow, too, it was not concluded. When we came on board, we felt there is need to ensure that all the zonal hospitals, not just Bori, the zonal hospitals we have in Echie, we have in Ahoda, we have in Omok, we also have in Degema. The essence of this secondary facility is to reduce the pressure in the teaching hospital. If you go to the teaching hospital, you'll see the number of our people struggling to get quality services. So we felt if the zonal hospitals are properly fixed, up to standard, there won't be need of this issue of scrambling to get medical attention in our teaching hospital. And for that reason, we didn't end by just fixing it the way we met it. We believe that it will be proper for this facility to be expanded, and everything that is needed in a standard health facility is provided. And I can tell you, to the glory of God, today, those things are all in this compound. The commissioner took time to enumerate the expansion level of this facility. Is to show our commitment to our people, that what is important to us is the people, the health of our people, the well-being of our people, the success of our people is what is important. I want to appeal to the commissioner and the health management board. This facility, I don't want it to just be one of those cases where we come after commissioning, we seal them. This place should be immediately opened and put to use, because all the equipment is already in the hospital. So I don't think there's any need for us to wait tomorrow or wait for 1 week. In fact, Commissioner, let this facility be open today for use.
Thank you, sir. Thank you, sir. Thank you, sir.
Our wonderful youths and women continue to be strong. At times you need to lose to win. We have not lost. At the end of the day, God will give us his own victory.
Amen. Amen.
For the young lady who presented that wonderful artwork, when she said that each of the nails was a pain, it touched my soul. You won't understand. But I know that pains are for purposes. You gave me so much encouragement this afternoon and reason to continue to stand strong. I assure you, I will not let that artwork be a useless artwork. I will not let your energy to be a waste. I will continue to be strong for all of you. Let me thank you again. The details of the hospital have already been explained to you. My work is just to embellish it a little and add the political side. Let me, on this note, invite our leaders that are here.